Yeah, Debbie, this is a lot of work. I don't know if we're gonna be done in time. When is the cash giveaway?
The cash giveaway is next Tuesday at 2, but like there's a lot of these things to put in these envelopes, and then we still have to seal them too. It's gonna take some time. How many people do you think we're gonna have?
Well, at least 100. We only have 100 bags to give away, but it sure feels like a lot of work. I think it's
So-
gonna be worth it.
I do too. I think it'd be fun to see everybody.
All the agents who are licensed with our office, right? Those are the ones we're gonna be seeing.
Well, and do you think someone will try to break the rules?
No,
Not our
they would
agents.
never do
Never,
that.
ever,
No,
ever,
no.
ever, ever, ever. So what do they need to do?
They need to show
Slip
up.
in some money, because there's some money out here.
Nothing. They need to just show up. They need to get here quick, right? Because there's only 100 bags to give.
So
And-
starting at 2, from 2 until 4:30 or till whenever they're gone, they show up at the office. They pull up into our spots. It's COVID free, COVID safe.
Contactless cash.
Contactless cash. I like it.
Drive up, text your name to the number, tell us you're here, and you could win. Cash. But we only have 100 bags to give away. And hopefully
And
Debbie,
don't try to wear a mask and go through twice.
Javier,